Stop throwing money away at Safeway. I'm going to show you exactly how to use those digital coupons so you can save big on your next grocery trip. First, open your Safeway app. If you don't have one, download it from your app store. Then, tap on the deals icon located typically at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the savings magic happens. Now you will see a ton of different offers, and the best part, many of them can be clipped directly to your Safeway card. Take a look at all the different coupons available, scrolling up and down. When you find a coupon you want to use, tap on it to see more details. This will typically show you the fine print, like expiration dates and any purchase requirements. Ready to save? Tap the Clip Coupon button. You'll see a little confirmation that the coupon has been added to your Safeway card. To double-check your clipped coupons, go to My List or Clipped Coupons. Here, you can verify all the savings you've activated. Make sure that you have the correct coupon so you don't get surprised in the register. Finally, at checkout, give the cashier your Safeway loyalty card or enter your associated phone number. The clipped coupons will automatically be applied to your purchase. Enjoy your savings.